Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make potato cheese nuggets. So I have taken 4 to 5 medium-sized boiled potatoes. First let's peel and mash them. To this let's add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a tablespoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of chili powder, salt as required, coriander leaves, 1 chopped onion and 1 green chili. Now just mix everything together. To get crispy nuggets, we'll be coating outer layer with breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can also use oats, corn flour or vermicelli. So I have taken diluted corn flour to coat the nuggets, some breadcrumbs and some grated cheese. If you feel the mixture is too sticky, take a little oil and rub it on your palm. That will be easy to roll. Now stuff as much as cheese you want and roll it. Now dip it in corn flour and roll it into the breadcrumbs. Finally, let's refrigerate it for about 30 minutes. Let's heat the oil in a pan. Make sure the oil is hot and gently drop the nuggets. You can either deep fry it or shallow fry. There you have these absolutely delicious and cheesy potato nuggets. Try this at home and let me know how you like it in the comments. Thanks for watching.